Hello again, guys. Today this is another Syngonium. This is the Gold Allusion or Golden Allusion. Now this pot, this guy, as you can see, the leaf is kind of lime green. It got quite a pink reddish vein throughout the leaf, and it has white splashes over, flaked splashes. Not sure what I supposed to call them, but they are pink and white on the leaf. And then this is the next form that it looks. This is how it looks. The leaf's gotten bigger, and I don't know if you can see on the camera or not, but the pinkish vein kind of fade. It is fading. And it's the leaf getting paler and paler. And then when it has grown a bit more, you will see that from this kind of leaf, which has still have a pale pinkish vein, when it grows bigger, it's completely gone. Not only the pinkish vein is gone, but the white splashes are also gone. So now there's only green on the leaf. Quite a bright green. A bit more lime green, I would say. See, when the leaf was still small, it had that pinkish vein on the leaf, and then it gets smaller and paler, and then to this stage there's none, only green leaf. So that's it for the Golden Allusion. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.